Hey, welcome, brothers and sisters to my channel. I hope that you're well. So in the previous video, I have shown you some method to process stream, and in this video also, I will show you another method to continue how to process in the stream. So, new method will be toArray. What is this method? toArray will copy all the elements inside the stream into specific array. Okay? I repeat, all the elements, all the elements inside the stream, of course, the stream, in the specific array. I will show you, of course, my example, and I will execute it in the computer. So, for example, I have this list of names, Faisal, Saeed, and Amin, and I have array, so string array, okay, array equal names dot stream. After this, what I will do, toArray, and I must specify in the argument in which array I will copy this element. Here I must provide an array. How? Using the constructor reference. Simple, so simple. So I have an array of string brackets, double colon, new constructor reference. See the video about this if you don't remember what is constructor reference. Okay? I will execute this code in the computer and I will come back inshallah to continue for next method or other topics. Let's go. So here I want to copy this all element of my stream, of course, to array. So I need a stream. First thing I will do, I will declare array string array equal names. Let's get our stream before to do anything else. Stream, after this dot toArray. Okay, and here I will specify, repeat, I will specify which array I put here. So it is number string brackets method reference, so double column and new. Okay, so simple like this. Now I will display this element of array. So for each element, string s of array system out.println. Here what I will do s, so simple like this. Let's see the result, if it works or no. Good. Do you see? It works perfectly. Now I will show you another method, but before this, I will talk about the stream concept. A lot of developers, lot of think that the stream concept, we can apply this concept only for collections. No, sorry, no. Yes, we can apply also for another things. We can apply for each group of elements. Each group of elements. So because for example, we have another group of value or array also. Okay? So to do this, we will use the method of in the stream. How to do this? Let's see the first example of group of value. Here we have group of value for the first example. So I need the stream. The goal is to get the stream. The group of value is integer. The group of integer. So I declare stream integer s equal stream dot of what? Of my group of value. So for example, 13, 5, 16, 7, etc. Just like this. And here I have got my stream. Now, when I got my stream, I can do each method that I want. Okay? For example, what I will do, s dot for each, I will display this value, group of value, s dot for each, and here I will use the method reference directly. System dot out double colon println. Okay, that is the first example. The second example, I will use the same concept with array of object. So, the second example, I have the array of string names, for example. This array is initialized by Faisal, Saeed, and Hussein, Karim. And now I will declare my string of string s2 equal string dot of what? Of my array names. Okay? I just specify which is the group. It's not group, it is array, so I just put my array. It is names. Now I will also make the same thing. I just display this value of array. Now it is inside the string. So s2 dot for each, same thing, system dot out double colon println using the method reference as before. Okay, let's execute these two examples in computer to see the result, and we continue inshallah. So now I will use the method of with group of elements, group of value, like this. Sorry, initialize my stream, I declare my stream, sorry. Stream, repeat this for me for integer, or for example, s equal, I will import the stream. Now, what I will do, stream dot of group of value. Okay, I will specify here group of value. So for example, 25, 3, 51, 27. Okay, so simple like this. Now I have my string. I want to display this value using for each, s dot for each. Okay, and here system dot out double colon method reference print ln. Let's see the result. Right, do you see? Here is our number. It works perfectly. Now let's see the second example. Is using the array. So I have string array equal or names, or what you want. Okay, names. This first Faisal, I'm sorry, Hussein, Karim, and JB. Let's go like this. Now I will create my stream. So stream of string s2 equal, what I will do, stream of simple with names. Okay, now I will make the same thing here, same statement like this. We just print this one and this one, I don't need it. And let's see if we got our names. Let's see. Oops, what I have put here. Ah, sorry, S. I have put S. Yes, S2. Sorry, S2. Let's go. Good. Do you see? It works perfectly. Now I have finished this topic about streams concept by making all this example and showing you different thing, how to process stream, how to configure it also. So maybe I will make the summary, maybe I will see in the next video, inshallah, before to jump to the next new feature in Java 1.8, and it is new topic also. So I will see if I make summary or not. I will see. Okay. And at this moment, before to start a new video, like this course. I hope you like it. If you, of course, I don't force you to do it. If you see that this course, it is benefit for you, like it, share it with your friends. It's free, nothing is paid here. Okay, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, subscribe, practice, take care of your health, it's very important. I tell you goodbye, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.